Hello, it's seem your micro is off.
Okay. Right. That one. Am I audible? Hello. Can you
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay. So, do you still remember book the five words we have tackled
Mm, yes.
earlier? So, can you elaborate or name those five?
Movie, movie,
Movie?
TV,
What
uh,
else?
singing, dancing, drawing, photo, um, music, and games.
Okay. So, very good. So, you still remember the five words. Okay. So, then do you see my screen?
No.
Okay. So, let me share my screen for a while. Then, okay. That one, did you see it already?
No, I can't see the screen.
Okay. Okay, right. This one. I will share my screen, okay? So, for a minute. Mm, New window. Then, how about, okay. Here we go. Boom. That one. Did you see?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I see it.
It take time. Sorry. Okay, so are you ready for the topic
Okay,
1,
I'm ready.
lesson 12? Okay, so right now we will tackle about money business. uh, okay, so kindly read the first sentence.
How much money and time do you spend on your hobbies?
Okay, how much money and time do you spend on your hobbies? Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, your best hobby is going to gym, right?
Yes.
Okay, so in doing your gym po, mm, how many hours or I mean, how many hours every day do you go to gym?
Um, I go to gym 5 days a week.
From Monday to Friday, right?
Yes.
Or
Yeah.
alternate, Monday to Friday.
Yes.
What time? What time?
I finish my work at 5 p.m. So I will start a gym at 6 p.m.
Okay, 6. So you're doing gym from 6 p.m. to
7 p.m.
also you only have a gym 1 hour only, right?
Yes.
Okay, so did you go to the gym today? Did you went to gym today?
Yes, I go to gym.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, then uh our okay, so our first word that we have to use in this lesson is
Mm,
the word hour.
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 Okay.
Repeat,
Hour.
repeat what I've said.
Hour.
Hour. Okay, so
Hour.
I'm pretty sure that the word is very simple. Okay, so an hour is a unit of time. So 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, right?
Mm, yes.
How about 2 hours? How many minutes?
120 minutes.
Okay, nice. How about 5 hours? How, how about 5 hours?
5 hours.
Mm-mm.
5 hours is 300 minutes.
300, 300
Minutes.
hours. Because 6 times 5 is 300. Okay, so I guess your favorite subject is math, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how about your least? How about your least favorite subject?
Least.
Yes. When we say least, okay, did you see another
Mm,
least favorite? Okay, least. Least. Did you see it?
yes.
If we say best or that one. So best is
Mm,
your favorite. How about your least favorite?
least
Or should
favorite.
we say you dislike? You don't like. You don't like. What
Mm,
subject you don't like? For me, my my best or my favorite subject is also math. Uh, we have same favorite or same best subject for us is math. Then my least subject or I don't like science.
mm,
Okay, because science is especially the table of elements. Because my instructor uh, make a quiz that we have to memorize all of them. Then I'm pretty sure that, for example, the gold. What is the name of the gold? What is the symbol of the word or the element gold? Did you know it? Gold. What's the symbol?
Gold.
What's the
Yeah.
symbol? Did you know the symbol of the word gold? Symbol. Symbol.
Mm, uh,
You know it or
is rich?
no? The symbol of the word gold is this one. You see my screen?
Yes.
Gold in periodic table. This one. Let's go to the image. Yeah. AU.
I know it.
So this is the example of the
Mm,
periodic table. It's so many. Did you see that? So
yes.
my teacher gave a task to us to memorize all of this in one hour. Okay? So
Okay.
then how about the next word? Did you see the next word?
Uh, per week.
Per week. So for you per week. For you, what is the word per week?
Per week.
What is per week?
It's mean every week.
Every
Is it every week?
every week. Okay, so next, per week. So per week means how many times something happens in 1 week.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
okay. So per week, how many days in a week?
It's 7 days. Seven
Seven
days per
days.
week.
From what are the words? Or what are the days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay. Um, did you did you say that last session a while ago your favorite um movies or movie is The Conjuring? Okay, so
Yes.
in what day did you watch it? In what day? It is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
I watched on Friday.
Friday? Then
Yeah.
you watched it for about 2 hours, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the word per week. Okay, so can you give me a sentence using word per week? For example, I'm the first who will give an example. Okay, so per week. Okay, so I will make a sentence using the word per week.
Perfect.
Per week. Did you see my screen? Hello.
Mm,
Did you see the screen?
I just see the screen about the 5 words. Is it right?
How how much money and time do you spend on your
Yes,
hobbies?
yes, yes.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, so right now I will make a sentence using the word per
Mm,
week.
mm.
Okay? So for
I
example,
mm,
Pook
mm,
goes to the gym 3 times or 5 times per week.
a week. Yes,
Am I right? So
yes,
next, he works um, 40 hours per week at his job because you work 5 days, right?
yes.
Okay, so
40
Pook
hours.
works 40 hours per
Yes,
week
40
at
hours
his
per week.
job. Okay, so now it's your turn to give a sentence using the word per week.
Mm, I um I
What
go to my I go
ma
to my hometown one time per week.
one time a week? Uh,
Oh, one time a
where's
week.
your hometown? In
Lomen Province. It's
uh,
not I'm living in Ho Chi Minh City, but my hometown is Lomen Province.
okay. Then moving on, you already know the word per week, then
Per
hour.
week.
So next is the word savings.
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 My question is savings. For you, what
Sa-
is the word savings in your own opinion?
Saving is you keep your money um, you keep your money and don't use the money to the unnecessary reasons.
Things. Okay, that's right. Saving money. Then you don't spend it, right?
Okay,
Then
spend.
you save money for something you want later. For example, in my case, I save money because I want to buy shoes in the
Mm,
end of the month. How about you? Why did you save money for
I save money to travel.
travel? What else? How about buying things?
Buy what?
Buy things. Like for example, for me, I
Buy
want to
things.
buy
Okay.
shoes. How about
Mm.
yours?
I save my money to buy a new phone.
Oh, what's your phone right now? What's your phone? iPhone 16?
Yes.
iPhone
No,
16?
no, it's 14.
Ah, okay. So you save money to buy iPhone 16, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you keep your savings? Where do you keep your savings?
Mm. After
In a bank.
every month, I receive my salary, so I will keep it about 20% of my salary to the another bank account.
In a bank
Yeah.
or not?
Yes, in the bank.
In a bank. In-
Yes,
Oh, okay.
in a bank.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you have so many savings right now. Okay, you have the next. I will explain your savings. You have a lot of
A
savings.
lot, a lot.
Do you know the word a lot? A lot.
Yes, yes, I know.
Okay. A lot means many or mar much or
Much.
large amount, right?
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
So I know that you already know the word a lot. So I will give you an examples of a sentence using the word a lot. Okay, so number one is book read a lot of books every day,
mm,
right?
mm,
So then another question, book have a lot of friends. Am I
mm.
right or not? Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes.
Mm, from what friends? On your work or on your neighbor?
Um, I have friend from my it's called childhood.
Oh, childhood
From my
friends.
childhood, from my coworker, from my classmate.
So you, I know that you have a lot of friends. Then for
Mm,
you, who is your best or your best friends?
mm, I
If
have only
what
one best
is
friend.
his or her name? What is her name or his name?
Her name is Kim.
Kim?
Yes, Kim.
Oh, why can you
He
say?
was my coworker.
So
Mm.
you're you've been for how many years of being friends?
Mm. It's almost 4 years.
So
Hmm.
you've been friends for 4 years. Okay, so I think that you have already have so many memories together, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how about your turn to make a sentence using the word a lot?
A lot. Um, uh, for example, to buy to buy the new to buy the new iPhone, I have
Mm,
to spend a lot of money.
you have to save or you have to spend a lot of money because I think iPhone 16 right now is more or less 90 or 80,000 in pesos here in the Philippines. How about in Vietnam?
Mm, Sorry,
How much is the iPhone 16 in
iPhone
Vietnam?
16 is mm, iPhone 16.
Because here in the Philippines is 80,000 80,000 pesos,
Pesos,
more or
80,000
less.
pesos. In Vietnam, it's cost $20 million.
Okay, so
20 millions.
okay, I see. Okay, so
Hmm.
I believe that maybe this year you will buy that iPhone 16, right? Okay, so let's manifest that it will be happen to you. Okay. Then next, the last word that
Take classes.
take classes. Okay, so the word is take classes. So for you, what is the word take classes?
Classes
Mm,
like
like what we are
what
doing right
I'm
now.
doing. Yes.
Okay. We are in sync. Okay, so to take class means to join lessons, to learn something like
Mm,
what you doing right now. Okay? So I'm pretty sure that do you take English class right now to improve your speaking or communication skills, right?
yeah. Yes.
Okay, so mm, my question is, what is how long do you have been taking class? How long you have taking class? Taking class.
Yes. This class,
Yes, this class.
um, it take 1 hours for today. 1 hour for today.
Okay. How about how many days already?
It's 2 days.
Today. So our first class is I think
Um,
that was on
last last
April
Monday.
last Monday, right?
Yes, last
Oh,
Monday.
okay. So last Monday you have your class. Okay. So
Hmm.
I think all the words that we have already tackled. Okay. So the
Hmm.
first is the hour per week. savings a lot, then take classes. Okay, so do you have any questions about these 5 words?
No,
Okay.
but
So,
could
okay.
I have the recording discusses to review?
Yes, I will send the link or the Google Drive of this video session. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, I think it's already time.
Mm,
Okay, so do you have any other questions or clarifications before we end this meeting?
mm, I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay, so wait, we have to take first a picture before we end this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's all for this session, Pook.
Mm.
Then hope to see you again on
Next Wednesday.
next Wednesday. Okay, so bye bye.
Bye. Have a good night.